What's the meaning of apartment? Apartment. Apartment. Apartment.
An apartment is a self-contained living space that occupies only part of a building. It usually includes a bedroom, a living room, a kitchen, and a bathroom. Apartments are often leased or rented by tenants for residential purposes. They can be found in both urban and suburban areas, and typically offer a more affordable housing option compared to houses or condominiums. In some cases, apartments may also provide amenities such as swimming pools, gyms, and laundry facilities, making them an attractive option for those seeking convenience and accessibility.